Now we'll talk about the step-by-step roadmap to help students succeed in this. So first you have to confirm your eligibility. This is the first step. Second is that you have to register with ISACA. Then you have to join INSEC with their low training costs and get your proper mentorship and 90-day study plan. You have to start by studying ECO given to you by the domain wise, and then you have to give your mock exams, appear for your exams, submit your experience, and then you have to uh, take help. And then INSEC will help you with negotiating a salary and an immediate 15 to 20% increase from your employer. Now, these are some of the real success stories of people who have upgraded their career using INSEC. So every CISA expert was once a beginner, and here is the complete journey from zero to certification. So the month zero, basically you make sure that you have proper eligibility. Week 1 to 2, you start reading ISACA ECO and also join INSEC and get personalized 90-day study plan. Month 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, you start studying. You cover all domains systematically. You give mock exams, and then monthly, you make sure that you reach 90% plus mock accuracy. You book your exam and you get your final review and strategy from your mentor. Month 3 to 4, you pass your CISA, you submit your required documents and you get your official credentials from ISACA. And by month 4 to 6, you have renegotiated your salary to make sure that you have gotten almost a 20% increase. You can upgrade your career, you can get new interview calls, as well as you can get new promotions and senior roles in companies. Final guidance for aspirants. So CISA is very worth it. These are some of the things which you must know before starting. You have to make sure that you are eligible and you have your 5 years eligibility as well as the waivers in hand. Second is you have to download and read ISACA ECO before you buy any extra study material, because this is basic. This is something you must have. You have to make sure that the fifth domain, or the protection of information assets domain, is the most important, and therefore give this the most amount of time while studying. With the help of INSEC, you can plan 90 days instead of cramming in the last moment. With the help of our mentors, you can also practice situational thinking, and you and our mentors will also keep you very accountable to your study plan. You can also get ISACA membership, which will help you receive a 16,000 money on your actual exam fee. And after passing, you have to make sure that you use INSEC's help to negotiate your salary and increase it. Start your CISA journey today, especially with INSEC. It is very easy and it has a huge success rate. If you want to know more about this topic, you can visit our website, or you can also message us on this number for free career guidance. I hope this presentation was of use to you. Thank you.